Hello friends, my name is Neelam Tarangi, and today's video topic name is operators. There are different types of operators can be used in Java to perform the different tasks. The To perform the different task, what is the operator? Operator is symbols which is used to perform the action or functions or task in a program. There are different types of operators are used in a Java. We can use we can by using the symbols, different types of symbols, we can perform a different task. This is known as the operators used in a Java. Operator used in Java. Different types of operators are as follows. First one is a unary operator. Second one is the arithmetic operator. Third one is a shift operator. Fourth one is a relational operator. Fifth one is bitwise operator. Sixth one is a logical operator. Seventh one is the assignment operator, and last one is a ternary operators. These different types of operators can perform different tasks in a program. When we use the different types of symbols in our program, then the JVM can understand which type of program is done when we can use the addition plus symbol. Then the JVM understand here is the addition of two numbers, three numbers, etc. Let's see the different types of operators working. First one is a unary operator. In unary operator, it is a two types, that is a prefix and postfix. Postfix. In a postfix, suppose we can increase the number in increase the number only one bit. That is we there is int a equals to 5. When we require the int a um, uh, by 1, then we can use the postfix, that is a plus plus, then a is given as 6. Second one is a prefix. Prefix is the which add the one bit in our variable before the before the result. Second one is the arithmetical operation. Arithmetical operation having two types, that is a multiplicative operative operators and additive operators. In multiplicative operator, multiplication, division and modulus can be find, and in a additive operators, the addition and subtraction can be find. Second one is a shift operator. Shift operator having two types, that is shifting the variable values to the left side or to the right side. When we shifting the values or array in the right side, then we can use the right shifting operator, and when we require the array shifting to left, then we can use the left shift operator. Second one is the relational operator. Relational operator having two types, that is a comparison or second one is a equality. In comparison, we can say that a is greater than b, a is less than b, a is less than or equals to b, a is greater than or equals to b. That is the comparison between two variables. And second one is the equality. Equality is nothing but a is equals to b and a is not equals to b. That is the equality operator. Second one is the bitwise operator. In bitwise operator, we can use the and, exclusive or inclusive or etc. In logical operator we can perform the ANDing, ORing, etc. Ternary operator. In a ternary operator, they are having one condition and two explanations. When condition is true, then first condition will be executed. When condition is false, then second explanation or expression can be executed. Assignment operators assignment operators are as like equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, and equals to, or equals to, modulus equals to. This is a bitwise operators. When we required, for example, sum is equals to sum plus variable, that is a. This is nothing but assignment operators. Or in this way, there are different types of operators can be used in a Java. Thank you.